Hi friends, welcome to Ideas at Home. Today I'm going to do a review of Philips Triple Power Radio 3 band AM FM radio. It is a very cute, compact and handy radio from the Philips brand. The audio quality of this Philips radio is excellent. The name of this model is Trishul and the product code is RL118-94. This was bought from a shop for rupees 1399. You might get it for a better price in Amazon. I'll give the link of the product in the description box below. It will be available as soon as Amazon starts delivery again. It is called triple power because it works in AC, battery and using rechargeable battery. It has 3 bands, FM, MW and SW. The Philips radio comes in this outer box with the charger and a leaflet along with this. This Philips radio has got a warranty for about 6 months from the date of purchase against any defect due to defective materials or workmanship. On the right side, it has got 2 knobs. One is the tuning knob and the other one is on and off knob, and also along with that is the volume knob. You can switch on the radio by turning the second knob in the clockwise direction. When you move it further downwards, the volume will increase. When you move the second knob upwards, the radio will be switched off. On the reverse side of the radio, there is a band switch button where it is written FW, MW and SW. You can switch it as per the requirement. That is, if you want to hear FM, you can put it there. MW, you can put it in the middle position, and if it is SW, you can put it in the downward position. And then turn the tuning knob as per your requirement. This radio is designed to work on 3 power sources. One is using the AC main powers. The second is built-in rechargeable batteries, and the third is conventional batteries. The battery is not included, but you can use it. This is the charging code provided with the radio. You can insert this and switch on, and you can charge the battery. You have to change the battery selector switch to the external position. The set will now operate on main power while also charge the internal battery simultaneously. When you wish to carry the radio somewhere, or if you want to use it cordless, what you can do is you have to change the battery selector to internal. That is, the radio will work in using internal battery. While you keep the radio for charging, a red light will come in the front indicating that the radio is getting charged. It is mentioned in the manual that you have to leave the set for charging for approximately 16 hours to fully charge the internal batteries. It is also said that the fully charged rechargeable batteries can operate the radio for 6 to 8 hours approximately. The size of the radio is very compact and it is very handy too. It has got a handle to carry the radio. The radio has got an aerial too. To improve the radio reception for using SW and FM, you have to pull out and extend the aerial to its full length. For MW, the set is provided with a built-in aerial. Overall, it is a very good quality radio and it has a good audio quality too. Hope this review was useful for you. If you have any further doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.